It's Monday, it's Monday, it's Monday. I'm excited to be sharing with you today. What am I going to cover? Let's talk about guitar strings. When you walk into the store, what do you ask for when you say, I want a set of strings? I'm going to help you with that. There are three types of strings I'm going to cover today. It's going to be the light, the regular, and then the heavy. Let's get started. Okay? When we talk about a light set of strings, we're talking about from 9 to 42. The guitar has 6 strings, and the littlest strings will have the lowest number. So this particular set of strings, you'll have a 9 for the first, 11 for the second, 16 for the third, 24 for the fourth, 32 for the fifth, and then finally 42 for the heaviest string. Okay? So the regular size string, normally it would be a 10 to 46. This is a heavier bottom on it. So we would go from 10 on your first. Your second would be a 13. Your third would be 17. Your fourth would be 26. Your fifth would be 36. And this one will be 48. But normally it's like a 46. Now your heavier strings is this one is called medium heavy. You will go from 11 to 50 gauge, okay? So your first string would be 11, second string would be 14, third string 18, fourth string 28, fifth string 38, and 50. So now when you walk in the store, you'll understand exactly what to ask for: medium, light, or heavy. All right, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.